starting a new car.
We're starting a new car, and it's in the ramp.
We're starting a new car.
Have you got any guesses on what the new car is?
Is it a new car I don't know about?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a new car you don't know about.
Right.
Any guesses?
Oh no.
If you had to drive one other car but the Ferrari, what brand car would you drive?
Aston.
Yeah, and also if you had to drive one other car but the Ferrari, what other car would you drive? Like what type of Aston?
A DB. What they called? DBX.
DBX, yeah. Okay. What do you reckon to that?
No, you're having me on there. DBX.
Unwrap it then, unwrap it. This is yours.
No, this is yours. I hope it's all done then.
Hey, you might be surprised. It's these moments that made working on cars in a restaurant car park and on my driveway truly worth it. And without all of your support, none of this would have happened. And if you want to be a part of the journey, then now's a great time to subscribe.
What's up with it then?
Nothing, it's yours.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's your car. That is yours.